FIAMM AM80SX High Note 2-terminal Freeway Blaster features aluminum coil motor, corrosion-resistant steel housing, and an ABS plastic projector. FIAMM horn package includes universal mounting bracket, jumper wire, nut and female connectors. Each FIAMM horn is tested to assure maximum performance and exceeds SAE and OEM specifications. FIAMM horn can be installed on any vehicle, UTV, ATV, or motorcycle. FIAMM 2-terminal horn, 12-volt, max amp draw 6, produces 130 decibels at 4. Top reviews from the United States. Loud but not obnoxious. After somebody in a Winnebago almost ran me off the road, I bought both the high and low notes to replace my lone anemic factory horn. Since together these draw more than the 10A horn circuit can handle, I added a relay triggered by the factory wiring and ran a new 14GA wire with a 15A inline fuse to the battery, also a new 14GA ground wire of course. So be prepared for some wiring work. These are not plug and play unless maybe your car already has twin horns. Strangely, the instructions say that bending the mounting bracket voids the warranty? Whatever, I put a couple of 45 degrees bends in it anyway, not while it was attached to the horn though. Sounds great but won't blow anyone's eardrums out, a good thing in my book, definitely an upgrade over stock, but without being obnoxious. This is the kind of horn cars should come with from the factory. The two-note sound is not only louder, but also more attention-grabbing than the pathetic factory single note. It reminds me of those full-size land yacht station wagons you may remember from the 60s and 70s. Don't blow them in your closed garage unless you like pain.